Howdy folks, it's been a while. December here in the shop, so she's a little chilly, got the fire on. And today I'm going to do something I have been putting off, and that is to get the emergency hood release cables on the car. So if you have one of these cars, they're old, it's just a matter of time. It's not if the cables will fail, it's when will the cables fail. And I've seen this stuff around on YouTube and just been putting it off, and the time has come to get it done. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a pretty straightforward system. You pull your hood release lever and it pulls that out, and that allows the hood to release. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a little hole in here and wire a loop up in here, so in the event, so I should say when this fails, we'll be able to get that open. And one hole, we'll do one on the other side. So you just want to take a fastener here and make a loop. Pretty straightforward. Just like that. Depends on how big you want the loop. Really don't need a loop too big, so we'll just put it right about there. And then take your hammer. Take your hammer and squeeze that down. That's nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to run this through this hole here. As we can see. There we go. And then you're going to run this through this cable retainer here, same as the other one. Just like so. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Go through there right beside the other one, and then we'll clip that, and then we'll be done. Make sure you remember to put this on first, unlike me. There we go. Okay, so there you have it. It's a pretty simple little job. And so should these cables, or when these cables fail, you get your loops there. Piece of cake, and that just lays down in there. Doesn't bother anything. Pretty well out of the way when the hood's closed. So we'll do the other side now. I don't need to show you that, but that's a quick little job you can do that really can save you an absolute ton of frustration. So something I've been meaning to get done for a long time, and done it is. Catch you later. Okay, so hey guys, just a quick follow-up here. I tested these out, and apparently, at least on my car, you need to use the driver's side pull first and then the passenger side. If you try to open just using the passenger side first on my car, that doesn't work. Later.